Hey there. Is your Wi-Fi signal weaker than you'd like, or are you frustrated with dead spots in your home? This week we're diving into how to fix TP-Link wireless network range to ensure smoother streaming, faster downloads, and a seamless online experience. TP-Link routers are popular for their reliability and affordability, but like all wireless devices, they can sometimes struggle to cover every corner of your home. Fortunately, several strategies can help boost your network range and eliminate those pesky dead zones. In this guide, we'll walk you through effective methods to enhance your TP-Link wireless network range, covering simple adjustments and advanced solutions to ensure optimal Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Step 1. Optimize router placement. One of the easiest ways to enhance your TP-Link wireless network range is by optimizing the placement of your router. Ideally, place the router in a central location, elevated off the ground, and away from walls or obstructions like metal objects and mirrors which can block or weaken the signal. Ensure the router's antennas are positioned vertically for better coverage. This simple change can dramatically improve Wi-Fi range and strength across your home. Step 2. Update router firmware. Sometimes enhancing your network range is as simple as updating your router's firmware. Manufacturers regularly release updates and patches to improve performance and fix bugs. Access the TP-Link web interface by entering your router's IP address into a browser and check for firmware updates. If there's a new version available, follow the instructions to update. Keeping your firmware current can significantly boost both performance and network range. Step 3. Adjust wireless settings. Tweaking your router's wireless settings can also improve network range. Log into your router settings and try changing the wireless channel. Wi-Fi routers typically default to certain channels, which can become congested if many networks are in proximity. Experiment with channels 1, 6, or 11 to find the best performance. Additionally, ensure that you're using the correct wireless mode. For most users, setting the mode to 802.11n can offer the best range and speed. Step 4. Use a range extender or mesh system. If you're still experiencing issues after trying the above steps, consider adding a range extender or upgrading to a mesh network system. These devices are designed to broaden your Wi-Fi coverage. A TP-Link range extender can amplify the existing signal to cover those hard-to-reach areas. Alternatively, a mesh network system uses multiple nodes around your home to create seamless coverage, eliminating dead zones completely and providing robust connectivity. Step 5. Minimize interference. Lastly, minimize interference from other electronic devices. Items like cordless phones, microwaves, and Bluetooth devices can disrupt your Wi-Fi signal. Whenever possible, keep the router away from these devices, or consider switching to a 5 GHz band, which is less susceptible to interference and provides a faster connection over short distances. Now that you know how to fix TP-Link wireless network range, you can enjoy a stronger, more reliable internet connection throughout your home. From optimizing router placement to using advanced solutions like mesh network, these steps can significantly improve your network coverage. Remember to regularly update your firmware and adjust settings for optimal performance. With these tips, say goodbye to buffering and hello to seamless streaming and browsing. Enjoy your enhanced Wi-Fi experience.